Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Nike stores in the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Nike app. Here it opens up in the shop menu. We have to tap on the three lines in the top left corner. And then on the bottom of this list, there is settings. We tap on that. And here we have to scroll down a bit, and it says find a Nike store here. We tap on that. And then after enabling our location, the Nike app is going to suggest nearby stores, or we can look for specific stores that we are interested in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.